Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to find Coinbase Wallet recovery phrase. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open your Coinbase Wallet app and sign into your account. Once you're inside the wallet, look for the settings icon, which typically appears as a small gear symbol. Tap on it to open up the menu settings. Inside the settings, tap on your wallet name. This might appear as something like Wallet 1 or Address 1. This step takes you to the part where you can view or manage your recovery phrase. Here, click on Recovery Phrase, and now comes a critical step, verifying your identity. Coinbase Wallet will ask for verification before revealing your recovery phrase. Once verified, you'll finally be able to view your recovery phrase. Carefully write down each word in the correct order on a piece of paper, or if you prefer, store it in a secure digital vault. Never share this phrase with anyone, and don't store it in plain text on your phone or email. It's the key to your crypto funds. And that's it. So that is how you can find Coinbase Wallet recovery phrase. So that's all for this video. Thanks.